Zoo's Garage.
Your destination is on the right.
Zoo's Garage is on my right. All right, let's see who's here. Am I the first?
Yo.
Yo.
Dude, I got my own garage.
I saw. That's awesome.
I got here like 5 minutes ago.
Double Zoo's Garage.
I know, and you're gonna get one too, man.
I'm thinking about that Lower East Side one, man.
There's like an outlet over there, so
Okay.
I can plug in my shit.
Oh, you got your road bikes here.
I
Yeah.
got my road bikes, I got my one wheel.
Speak of the devil, this is Jay's bike, who I was just talking about.
The motors, you can tell, like, it's working. Like, compared to stuff that we just
The motor's the same.
What's up?
8,
Interesting.
Is this my beer that fell?
Yeah. More?
Looks like you got a fresh cut. Gang's all here.
This is the one.
All right, a look inside the
This is the one I was.
Zoo's Club Garage here.
Any bike. This is
Oh, so you got rid of the Onyx.
This is the one I was gonna buy. I never even got to see the Onyx, man.
I got it off a tree.
There's a Flex coming out. Hey, you see Al's bike in here still. Al's bike is all bricked.
It's garbage.
Then
This is cool. Though. I like the
Roadrunner. He's got a little mini fridge. This place got everything. Nice little storage locker.
You don't have to worry about breaking.
Tool bench.
But the only like
the
when I
lift?
started doing research, they were like, huh?
I didn't realize that the Bennos could fit on the flex rims.
Yes and no. They're thin.
So these tires here are called Benno. They are motorcycle grade tires. These are great replacements for your Zoos. They will fit on either bike. They will fit on the Flex or the regular hardtail. They also, the place that sells them in Queens also has huge, thick rubber tubes are inside as well. Spokesman
And Myrtle Ave.
on Myrtle Ave. All right, I got to pick them up.